In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in HubSpot CRM. We'll start on the HubSpot home screen. Once you're signed in, look for the main navigation at the top and open the CRM section. This takes you into the core workspace where your records and activities live. From there, head to Tasks. The Tasks area is your hub for tracking follow-ups and to-dos across your team, so it's the perfect place to create something you don't want to forget. On the Tasks page, click Create Task. This opens a form where you'll enter the details. Begin with the task title. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented so it's easy to scan later. For example, instead of something vague, write a direct instruction like email proposal to client or follow up on renewal. Think of it as the headline that tells you exactly what needs to happen without having to read further. Next, choose the task type. HubSpot typically offers options like call, email, or a general to-do. Pick the type that best matches the action you'll take. This helps with filtering and reporting later, and it also sets expectations for the format of the work. If you're planning to pick up the phone, choose call. If you'll draft a message, select email. Now assign the task. You can assign it to yourself or to a teammate. Assignment establishes ownership and ensures the right person gets notifications. If you're delegating, double-check you've selected the correct owner so nothing slips through the cracks. Set a due date. Choose a realistic date that aligns with your pipeline or campaign timing. Adding a specific date keeps your board organized and makes it easier to prioritize. If a time selector is available, use it to indicate when in the day you plan to complete the task, especially for calls that need to happen during business hours. If you want, add notes. Use this space to include any context the title can't capture, talking points for a call, a quick checklist, or links to relevant documents. This is especially useful when multiple people collaborate or when you're returning to the task after a few days and need a refresher. When everything looks good, click Create. You'll land back in your Tasks view with the new task added to your list. From here, you can sort, filter, or search to keep your day organized. That's it. Title, type, owner, due date, optional notes, and you're done. Keep your titles consistent, choose the right type to make filtering easier, and use notes to reduce back and forth later. With these basics, you'll create clear, actionable tasks in HubSpot CRM every time.